How about the biased data? Like if AI agents take over the majority of user research, how do we ensure that they are not just reinforcing biases found in existing data sets? Do we risk AI optimizing for the wrong user behaviors simply because they are statistically dominant?
Well, that's where we come in. That's why I propose we keep the human researchers to be the guardrail, to be the second opinion, to check for those biases and reinforce the positive feedback loop, to make sure that if this happens, you prevent it into the future, or you try to improve the AI to be wary of such biases that to avoid. And it all depends on the time and focus, because right now user research can be biased towards data just because there's limited time to bring results. There is pressure to do new research, so you go with the biases because this is the easy way to go. But if you had time, you can go deep into the data, see if there's something wrong, see if there's something that doesn't feel right, or an important insight that feels insignificant math-wise, but is actually uncovering something very important. So that human element, that all-purpose brain, rather than relying on a text predictor to do the work for you.